Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In today's lecture, I would like to discuss about the network. So, what is network? Definition: the collection of two or more than two computers is called computer network. Computer network क्या है? जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा सिस्टम कंप्यूटर्स आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट हो जाए तो इसे कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क कहा जाता है। नेटवर्क का मतलब है बेसिकली जाल। जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा सिस्टम आपस में थ्रू एनी मीडिया, इधर इट इज़ फिजिकल और इट इज़ वायरलेस मीडिया, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क। For example, we have four systems: node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4. So these systems are connected to each other through this media. This is a media. So these systems are connected with one another through the media. So it becomes a network. So if we have these four systems and if they are not connected with each other, for example, this is node 1, this is node 2, and these two systems are not connected with each other, so they are not called computer network. So they are called computer network if these devices are connected through a media, that is physical or wireless. So in this case we have a physical media and these two systems are connected with each other through this media. Now what is networking? So the process of connecting two or more than two computers are called networking. वो process, वो methods जिसके ज़रिए हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर्स को आपस में कनेक्ट करते हैं, इसको कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग कहा जाता है। दो या दो से ज़्यादा सिस्टम जब कनेक्ट हो जाए तो इसे नेटवर्क कहा जाता है, और जिस तरीके से ये आपस में कनेक्ट हो जाए इसे कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग कहा जाता है। तो दिस इज़ अ प्रोसेस, द प्रोसेस in which these two systems are connected with each other is called computer networking. Now let's go to another term, that is topology. Topology, this is a very important topic of computer science, especially the networking. What is topology? Topology का मतलब है shape. Topology means shape or layout. So the shape or layout of the computer network is called topology. यानी वो शक्ल या वो लेआउट, कंप्यूटर का जो लेआउट होता है, जो शक्ल होता है कि कंप्यूटर एक दूसरे के साथ किस शक्ल में कनेक्ट होते हैं, उसे टोपोलॉजी कहा जाता है। टोपोलॉजी मतलब दार ची दो सिस्टम में मंगता चिकल कनेक्ट हुई बसरा द शेप बसंगवी द स्ट्रक्चर बसंगवी अगर तसवेले शी टोपोलॉजी. For example, topology for example we have this two system. So and for example we have three system: node 1, node 2 and node 3. So these computers are connected in a line. So this is the shape of the computer network. This is topology. So this topology is actually the bus topology. Now if we connect these three computers like this, it can be connected in this way too, or it may be connected, we can connect these three computers in a circle. This computer is connected with this computer and this computer is connected with this computer. So this is the layout of the computer. This is called ring, or the ways in which the computer are connected to each other. वो तरीक़ा जिसमें हम कंप्यूटर को एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? टोपोलॉजी। नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ टोपोलॉजी। अब टोपोलॉजी की बहुत से टाइप्स हैं, बट इन योर बुक देयर आर मेन 4 टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर टोपोलॉजी: बस टोपोलॉजी, 2 स्टोर टोपोलॉजी, 3 ring topology, and 4 mesh topology. So we will discuss about these topologies in detail, but here in bus topology the computer are connected with each other in straight line. One computer is connected with other computer in a straight line, having a single bus. For example, we have 4 computers: node 1, node 2, node 3, and this is node 4. These computers are connected with each other in this way. This is called bus. This computer is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, and these computers are connected through a bus, a line which is called bus. So we will discuss about this bus topology in detail. In store topology, the shape of the computer are in a form of star. The computers are connected to a central devices in a star manner. For example, we have these 4 computers, and these per computer are then connected with these devices. Through these devices, these computer node 1, node 2, this is node 3, and this is node 4. So these 4 computers are connected through this. This is called switch. 4 computers communicate each other or connected with each other through a central devices which is called a switch or hub. This is also called a hub. So these computers are connected in a star way. In ring topology, all computers are connected with each other in form of ring. For example, this 4 computers will be connected in this manner. Node 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4. This is called ring. So data will be transmitted from one computer to the other computer through this media. This is through this ring. And in mesh topology, every computer is connected with other computer through redundant links. In mesh topology, redundant links are used. Each computer is connected like this, in this way. This computer is connected with this computer, this will with this computer, and this will this. But this computer will connect it with this, and this will. So each computer will connect it with other computer through redundant links. For example, this is node 1, this is node 2, this is node 3, and this is node 4. So this node 1 has 3 links: 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3. This computer have 3 links: 1, 2, 3, and this also have 3 links, that is 1, 2, 3. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.